Today we will see trip circuit supervision relay TCS, why it is used and how it works in a circuit breaker, and we will try to understand its logic, that how it is implemented in a circuit breaker. So first of all, let us try to understand the importance of TCS relay, why it is used. During the faulty or abnormal condition, a circuit breaker must operate and must break the fault current, so isolating the healthy part of the system or the circuit from the faulty part. But if in any case during the abnormal condition the circuit breaker fails to trip, then the faulty current continuously flow in the system and it may lead to heavy electrical fire or may also damage the nearby electrical equipments. Thus, to overcome this critical scenario, supervision of the trip circuit or circuit breaker becomes very much necessary. Hence, TCA relays are used. Also, one must note that here importance of a circuit breaker is given on the tripping circuit and not on the closing part of the circuit, because tripping is very much necessary during the faulty condition. Hence, supervision relays are only used in supervising tripping circuit of a circuit breaker. So, from this, let us try to understand what is TCS relay. TCS relays are used to continuously monitor the tripping coil of a circuit breaker. One must understand that it just checks the healthiness of the tripping coil. Thus, it is just used as a monitoring device and does not play any protection part in the system. Supervision relays are placed in the control and relay panel in the control room, from where the operator can continuously monitor the healthiness of the system. Now let us see how TCA relay works. For that, consider the tripping circuit both in remote mode and local mode. We have already seen the current flowing path in the tripping circuit in both the modes in our previous videos. Now let us select the common current flowing path in remote and local mode of the tripping circuit in a circuit breaker. Then we'll obtain this. So now just focus on the common selected circuit and let us convert it into more simplified network form for understanding purpose. Draw the auxiliary contacts and the DC supply positive and DC supply negative. So this completes simplified tripping network of a circuit breaker. Here, one must note that since we are interested in continuous monitoring of the tripping circuit, we have taken the common path of the tripping circuit in remote and local mode. Let us consider case 1. After the circuit breaker closes, the auxiliary contacts are connected like this and TCS relay is connected to it, and hence such condition is called post-close trip circuit supervision. Now, let us consider case 2. Before the circuit breaker closes, then the auxiliary contacts will be like this and the TCS relay is connected to it. Such condition is called pre-trip circuit supervision. Now, let us try to understand the logic considering case 1. Here, continuous positive DC is given to the TCS relay and negative DC is received from the circuit breaker, flowing the current from positive to negative as shown here and completes the circuit. And when the circuit gets complete, it shows green indication on the TCS relay. Under faulty condition such as DC supply failure, tripping coil becomes faulty, or low gas pressure, the trip circuit does not get complete and hence show red indication on the TCS relay. Here, one must note that the current of the TCS relay has very few milliamperes, ranging from 2 milliamperes to 4 milliamperes, and having very high resistance in terms of kilo ohms. On the other side, tripping coil have very low resistance, ranging from 40 to 50 ohms, and hence requires few amperes, ranging from 2 to 4 amperes in order to charge the tripping coil. Thus, such small magnitude of very few milliamperes is not sufficient enough to charge the tripping coil, which requires comparatively 10 times higher magnitude of current, that is around 3 ampere. In this way, TCS relay performs its operation without charging the tripping coil. Thus, TCS relay continuous check the healthiness of the tripping circuit and display green signal during healthy condition and red indication during faulty condition to the operator. With this, it completes the working of TCS relay. So for more upcoming videos, keep on like, subscribe and share.